Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about gold and gold analysis, monthly chart, weekly chart, and the direction, possible direction. So let's get started. So this is the chart I made on today, but it was made before, and I showed it yesterday's video. I made the gold video yesterday as well. You can see it. I'll post the link below this video and description. So, so in that video, this is the exact chart I showed when it was here, and then the new candle was kind of like getting started, right? December 1st, just this previous candle of November was just ended, and the new candle was started when I was making the video. And my target, well, obviously it's way to the upside, but it's not going to go in a straight line. It will go up and down and up and down, some stuff like that. So now, on a smaller time frame, the weekly chart was this. So I said, okay, we finished the wave C and wave 4. With that, wave 4 is gone. A, B, C, wave 4 is finished. We're gonna go for wave 5. So we went there, and then we came back to this level here, 1721, and that's where I made this chart that we're gonna go up. And my first target in yesterday's video, I said that I have a trade open and my target is 1802. So this is exactly what happened so far. Today it went up and hit 1802. Right now it is at 1802 and kind of like pulling back. So now we are rising for wave 5, and wave 5 will have 5 subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if it is a correction to this, right, then it would be A, then come down B, and then go to C, maybe here in this area, right? 1912, 1920. But if not, then still 1802 probably going to hold, and we're going to drop maybe back here to 1721 or even all the way to 1677 for wave 2. Let's say this is wave 1, this is wave 2, followed by wave 3, and then 4, and then 5, and that could be wave 1, and then wave 2, then wave 3 and 4. It's big story, right? So for now, what we have to pay attention to is this, that we are going to the upside and we're going to go and making waves, just like this one drop. Now this drop you can see clearly on a daily chart. Here's the daily chart. So see on a weekly chart, right from here, this drop is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, like this is shown here. 1, 2, all the way to wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Now this is end of wave 5. Here basically is wave 5 ending here, right? It's wobbling and all of that. So after that, what happened? I think this is probably wave 1, if it is going to be impulse wave, or if it is a correction, then A, then followed by B, and then C, right? If not, then if it is impulse, then it's going to be 1, then A, B, C, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, 3, and then 4, and then 5, and so on and so forth. So for now, I think that this wave 1 or A, whatever it is ended here at 1802. 1802 is a big number on a monthly chart if you pay attention. It's 1802 is right there. These 3 big highs here before this level here, right? So it's 1802, 1790, and 1795. So this is where we are messing around right now. Right now, what the price is 1798, right in the middle of this, 1795 and 1802. So if I'm wrong, then it will just go up and break 1802 and continue to go to the upside. But what I think that it's not going to do that because of the divergence, big time divergence is happening here. You can see my indicator, Sam's divergence, is posting a big divergence here. Now this one, see the price is made higher high, and then from this high to this high, look at that indicator, right? So I have like 90% chances are that we're going to be dropping from there, right? So let's see, if we drop, we're going to be probably dropping in 3 ways, like maybe 1 and A, B, and C to the downside here somewhere, or maybe it will drop to this high and then poof, go to the upside. Anything can happen, but for now, I think very strongly that probably 1802 is going to hold and we're going to drop. Now, one more thing, very, very important, is that right now it's December 1st, it's Thursday, but tomorrow morning at 8:30, we have NFP, which is the biggest news in the forex market, and that moves everything, almost just about everything, right? Everything that's moved. So be aware of that, and that probably that news is gonna send this to the downside. That's what I think. So now looking at that, this one, and then let me show you that the chart that I showed you yesterday. I also had an 80-minute chart way before I made it, like A, B, or blue count is like A, B, C, X, A, B, C, correction, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave C of a correction, the finish. So I said, okay, we're gonna go up for wave 1 somewhere here, and then we're gonna drop for wave 2. Somewhere here means that, see, I already marked here that the bottom line was 1790 and then top was 1802. This chart I made on the 22nd November. I had a strong idea, and I mentioned that in yesterday's video, that we're probably gonna go and hit 1802, and that's my target, the trade I was in, even though I closed that trade way early because I was too sleepy and I had to go to sleep. So I didn't want to see this. This looks like it's probably going to retrace. So I said, let me cash this out, and then if I'll see if I can, have the entry later on. But I never did. The entry was there, beautiful entries was there, but I wasn't there. So enough is enough, right? So entry price was 1757, and I took it all the way to 1777. I mean 1779, right? So that's enough. No big deal, right? I also had a very nice oil trade today, so no complaint, right? So this is the buy order here. SL moved to break even from 80.70 all the way to, when I closed, it was 82.85, the price, right? So these two things that I had, let me see if I'm recording. Yeah. All right. So gold and well, I'm just showing the oil for the heck of it, but basically the gold, right? So this is what it is. Be aware of this level, 1802. We're probably gonna drop NFP or not, but if we don't drop tonight, or that's tonight, and tomorrow morning it's 8:30, it's NFP. Right now is 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Eastern time, right? So in 8:30 Eastern time, we have NFP, and this first Friday of the month, and it's a big news. The red news is USD, and then gold is measured in USD, so gold will move. So let's see what happens. But like I said, that since yesterday till today, actually the gold, I mean, I've been tracking this a long time. I just started to make the videos, but I've been tracking for years and years, right on the dot. So it's very easy to track gold. Anyway, so I'm gonna close it now, and then probably I'm gonna make another video because taking a look at the US dollar index is also very important. So I will make in maybe hour or maybe an hour or hour and a half, something like that. I gotta just had my dinner, and then I'll make the video for USD. Be ready for tomorrow, and for NFP, and after that, Friday is very dangerous, and as it is, it is the beginning of December. So be very careful about your trades. And this is it for now. And talk to you guys later. Let me see. Oh, the 40-minute. Whoa. It's started to come down. Okay. All right. I'll be ready, buddy. I'll be ready for you. All right. So let me just close this. Where is the trade there? Right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, how do I close it? Oh, okay. From here. Stop.